everyone, I'm Lena and this is my daughter Evelyn. So I've been challenged by one of the members from the group to make healthy recipes with 3 ingredients or less, and I'm going to give it a go. So the purpose of today is to show you how I make pea soup, and there's only 2 ingredients for now because we're first going to make fresh stock with fresh chicken. I don't like using any cubes, and salt and pepper don't count. So here in a pot I've got some water. I'm just going to put the carrots in, and then come on, put the carrots in. No, don't chop them. Thank you. Try not to make me wet in the process, please. So in the entire recipe you only need to take 15 minutes or less, and that's actually probably quite a lot for me. I like doing things very quickly. Now put the chicken in there also. So while Evelyn is putting it in, this might take longer because she's only got little fingers. I'm going to put some salt in, and I actually don't have any bay leaves, but that's fine. I'm just going to put some pepper and salt, and that's it. And then I'm going to leave it on the stove. Actually, I'm going to put the stove on, and I'm going to leave it on for about an hour and a half, and then you will see what happens. Okay, so this is step 1 in preparation. On it goes over here, and then I can literally put the lid on and just make sure that the water doesn't run off, and I forget about it. I just need the lid. There's the lid. And I'm going to leave it on for about an hour. So now our stock is ready. So this was just carrots and chicken that I boiled for a couple of hours. And here's the chicken, and I took it out, and that's going to be absolutely delicious for wrap, sandwiches, salads. I'm going to put it aside. Next we're going to put this whole thing in there. I don't measure. I don't have measuring spoons, or I don't use them. The next step is to blend it. Evelyn, that might go everywhere. So our soup is finished. David, my challenge is done. The first day is done. It's 3 ingredients: carrots, chicken, and peas. Salt and pepper does not count, and that's what it looks like. And it's nice and thick. And this is the finished version with a bit of mascarpone cheese. Well, it's the 4th ingredients actually, so I slightly cheated. You can also add some bacon or put some mince, whatever really you like to put in there. But this is the basic ingredients, and it took me probably about 8 minutes, I think, to make the entire thing. So day 1 is done. If anybody wants to do their own challenge and you guys want to share it with us in this tribe, so please do so. I upload the videos, I already said videos, pictures, etc. If you want to try my soup, let me know how it tastes. And we'll be back with more tomorrow. Bye!